Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a fully functional checkbox to a document in Docusign, step by step, updated for 2025. Whether you're creating a form, a contract, or a simple acknowledgement section, this guide will help you add checkboxes the right way so your recipients can interact with them easily. Let's dive in. Access Docusign first. Open your web browser and go to docusign.com. Click the Login button at the top right corner. Enter your username and password. If you're new to Docusign, you'll see an option to sign up. Just follow those prompts to create an account. Once logged in, you'll land on your Docusign home screen, which is your central hub for managing documents, templates, and envelopes. Choose or create a template next. You need the document where you'll add the checkbox. If you already have a document or template, select it from your list. Using templates is a huge time saver if you send similar documents regularly, like forms or contracts. If you're starting fresh, upload your document or create a new template and add any basic details such as recipient names or addresses. Click Next once you've set those details to move into the editing stage. Add the checkbox field. This is where the magic happens. In the document editor, look to the left-hand tools panel. Find the option labeled Checkbox. It might be grouped under fields or standard fields, depending on your interface. Drag and drop the checkbox to the exact spot where you need it, like next to terms and conditions, consent statements, or multiple choice options. You can customize it too. Adjust its size and position so it fits perfectly with the text. If needed, mark it as required, so recipients can't complete the document without selecting it. You can also assign it to a specific recipient if more than one person is signing. Finalize and send. When you're happy with the placement and settings, click Save and Close or Send, depending on your workflow. If you're sending it out immediately, add your recipient emails and a message. Docusign will handle the rest, and your recipients will now see a clickable checkbox they can check directly within the document. And that's it. You've just added a functional checkbox to your Docusign document in a few quick steps. This 2025 method works on both personal and business accounts, so you can start collecting clear, interactive responses right away. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.